Hello. We are running some errands today. It is my mom's birthday. I got her this adorable card. Let me get it out and show you.
Who starts that video with no intro?
Huh? Hello. What's up? It's me, Shelby. And
Hey. You can't swear on the internet.
yeah, you can. You just have to bleep it out. It's fine.
Well, I ain't gonna bleep it out.
All right. So.
Do I look like the bleep master?
Yes. So I got my mom this really cute card. It says, see, there we go. That glare is real bad. And then it looks like this on the inside. It's very cute. I'll read it to you. Oh, if I can pick it up. It says, Mom, thank you for everything you've given me, ... For your loving support, your care and encouragement, and every big and little way you made sure I would have the best life possible. Oh yeah, and then it opens in the middle. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. It says, I'm grateful to have a mom as wonderful as you, and I hope you know just how much I love you. Happy birthday. Best daughter award right here. Sorry, sister. I'm the best. I also got from Target this very good stuff. It is called the Hydrating Milky Mist. Tati recommended it, so you know, gotta listen to my girl Tati.
What's a Tati?
It's the YouTube girl I always watch, who does the makeup. I watch her like all the time. That's my girl. She knows what's up. And now we're about to go run to Ulta, cause your girl is out of perfume, and I don't want to be a stanky, so.
Stanky.
Yeah, I don't want to be stanky. I'm not gross like you.
Gross. Oh. I don't want to vlog with you anymore. You gotta vlog on my own.
No, you won't. Just got finished at Ulta. I got two things. Let me show you them. I got this Aqua di Gioia. It's pretty bomb. Bae bought it for me. Thank you, Bae. Okay then. No love. And you're supposed to say you're welcome, love. God.
Welcome, love.
God.
I went the wrong way.
Yeah, you did. What are you doing?
I don't know.
And then I didn't know Tarte came out with like a new little line of beauty called like Sugar Rush, I think. That's it. Yeah, Sugar Rush. So I got this little thing. It's called Don't Hate, Hydrate Oil-Free Moisturizer. I really need a moisturizer. I've been out of moisturizer for a while. I'm just using some like spray moisturizer. It's pretty ratchet, not very cute. So I need to get that. We also need to go pick up the doggy from his little doggy daycare shenanigans. What else do we need to do? Is that it?
I think so.
I think so too.
I don't have to do anything else.
I dropped off a job application today at a salon, so we'll see how that goes. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I just I didn't really make consistent money back when I did it, so I'm gonna try again part-time and hope this goes better this time. If I even get the job, I don't even know if I got it or not. Gotta wait for the lady to call me back. And what's up with you, babe?
Driving.
Huh?
Driving. Focusing on the road.
Why? Do you have other things to focus on?
Because I don't want to kill us or other people.
It's fine.
What? Excuse me?
It's fine.
Excuse me?
I got my mom for her birthday a Fitbit Charge 3. I tried to convince her to get an Apple Watch, but she was like, no, I don't want technology. And I was like, why not? It's so much cooler and more accurate. Don't understand. So now she gets a Fitbit. I don't know. I think she just should have got an Apple Watch. Don't you?
I mean, it's her birthday.
I mean, it is her birthday and that is what she wanted, but what doing?
You know, trying to maneuver around this traffic.
Oh.
It's just like super terrible right now.
How's that working out for you?
Not so well.
Oh, there's some people taking pictures of the sky for some reason.
It's a UFO in the sky. Alien.
Oh! Oh my god! I just almost died, no big deal.
What, are you recording?
Yes.
I didn't see
That was the first thing I recorded.
It wasn't my fault, you came out of nowhere.
Oh. Okay, we're going to pick the doggo up from doggy daycare. But we're gonna hit every single red light because it's 5 o'clock and everyone just got out of work. So, great sign. And then we are maybe, possibly, hopefully, going to get a kitten! Yay! Are you so excited?
Whoa.
I'm so excited. I really hope the kitten's there. Oh, I love baby animals. They're my favorite. Kobe, would you like a sister? Do you want a sister? Kobe, would you like a sister?
Oh.
You're so cute. For real, it's terrible. Okay, Kobe. You have to go in your kennel for a little bit when we get home. And then I'll come get you out, okay? I got you, baby. I got you, baby. I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh, good boy. We're almost at the Humane Society to hopefully get this cute little baby. Oh my god. We were here, what, 2 days ago?
Yes.
And they're like, yeah, we don't have kittens and we're not gonna have kittens for a long time. And I was like, oh, okay. And I looked online and they said that they have a 2-month-old kitten. So I'm like, sign me up. Hi. Need kitties. All right, we're pulling in. So.
Ready?
Yes. Are you ready for another animal?
No.
He hates me. Hi, baby. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. What are you doing? We just got our new baby. She's still in here, but we're gonna see what the other animals think about her. Guys, there's a new animal. Hey. Why? What do you think? It's okay. It's okay. It's
Oh, she's pissed.
okay.
You're okay.
Kobe's protecting you. She is not having it. Hey, babe. It's okay. It's okay, little one. It's okay.
Let's head to your sister.
She's scared.
Say hi to the viewers. Say hello. My name is Chichi. Say hello. Come on, Chichi. Speak to me. Is that the Kobe? Say hi, Kobe. Say hi to the viewers, Kobe. Say hello. Tell them I'm about to go to bed. Well, guys, that concludes our day.
Our exciting day of new animal.
Very exciting.
Yes.
Super. We're gonna head to bed. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thanks for watching and following us on our day.
Bye.
Bye.